It's Extreme Rules, folks, and the action can leave you speechless. Corey, how does a competitor adjust to this brutality?
Well, the main thing is to remember that anything you can imagine is within the rules.
All is fair in love and war, and that goes for Extreme Rules, too.
What would you know about love, Byron? But anyway, the pin or submission has to be in the ring to win. Oof. Batista finds the advantage. Getting back into the ring.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Oh, clothesline. Pulled back into the hip toss.
I don't think people realize the amount of strength it takes to hurl someone like that. Ah, what a smash!
That is just insulting.
Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
And Batista gets warded off.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Strowman's being cut down at every corner.
Call animal control. Batista's loose.
Taking this to the floor. No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
What is that? Oh, wait, that's made out of glass. Why on earth was that under the ring? Oh, no, please put that back. That can rip your flesh off the bone.
Equalizer in hand, and he's just goading his opponent to make the first move.
Ooh.
And that attack might actually strike some fear in Strowman for a change.
And you can see why Batista carries himself with such confidence. It's a special kind of athlete who can control an opponent like that.
As we all know, anything goes in an Extreme Rules match. How does one use that to their advantage, Corey?
One word, Cole: weapons. They're legal, they're here, and they're ready to be used. It's as simple as that. Boom, running FTO plants him.
Nicely done. No, just shredding into their opponent with that barbed wire. Whoa, not quite yet. Every successive move is putting their opponent in a dicey situation. Chokeslam!
Compromised position here. Oh, right to the throat. That there showed as massive as Batista is, he's not impenetrable. The following slam.
Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance. Insulting.
That's going to fire you up with anger. He's taking this to the floor now.
Heading back to the ring. Oh, hurling that spiky barbed wire and connecting. No! Almost death with such disregard for their opponent. Braun got out of there. Looking for more damage here. Release back suplex. Ouch.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just gotta toss another person and make a statement. Down to Owen, and a double axe handle smash.
Boom, what a punch.
Strowman just mocking him now.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. Oh, great. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk. What a mess. Oh.
Attacked in the midsection.
Oh, if they back up, they're getting too close for comfort.
Well, no one's paying attention to you, Saxton. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other.
We're undoubtedly nearing the end.
Yeah, not looking good at all.
Monsters don't impart much fear when they're in this position. Uh-oh.
He's turning the tables. And gets tossed back into the mat. He's reaching under the ring for anything useful.
Call Hunter's secretary. Tell him we found the hammer. He's heading back to the ring.
Oh, just tossing that barbed wire bat with zero regard for anyone's safety.
Landing a big hit with that hammer. Batista's taking control.
Braun is being completely neutralized.
So well matched. These men aren't giving up any ground.
Showing their strength of will, their refusal to back down.
And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. And did you hear the impact of that? Connecting on the DDT. Nice.
Uh-oh.
Able to get the advantage here.
He finally creates some more offense for himself.
Could be what he needed to ignite a rally.
Slips out of the way.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Now Strowman feeling the pressure.
Watch out, the animal is foaming at the mouth.
Punch connects.
Oh, spine buster by the animal.
And Batista looking like a true huntsman now. We could be moments away from that final kill shot. All the way out. He's able to sidestep there.
Goodness, all their mass being used. He is just reeling from that offense.
In order to succeed in an Extreme Rules match, you have to be willing to sacrifice your body a bit, guys.
Popped right in the face. DDT.
Planted.
Braun telegraphing that one.
And that definitely made solid impact.
Oof, back elbow puts a stop to things.
And this might not have a pleasant ending.
Right across the larynx.
Oh, man. Adding more injury to injury with that hammer.
Man, this place is jumping.
Batista about to get what he wants.
Batista!
Batista bomb. Batista got all of him.
Batista with a
Knockout victory. This one is over.
Here is your winner, the Animal, Batista!
Batista able to come out the victor here.
The monster of all monsters wasn't monstrous enough in the end.